Hello, this is Last Garden Standing. Haven't done a video for a few weeks, so here I am trying to show you some plants that I had last Christmas. I've had them kept them alive through Christmas, January through like June, and then when frost was no longer outside, I put them outside. And they've done well all summer, and I'm trying to bring them back again for next Christmas, this coming Christmas. Here is a cactus plant. It's Christmas cactus is actually what it's called. And I deadheaded it, I trimmed it down, I transplanted it, and fertilized it some, and kept it through the winter. And then I put it outside in June, and I just brought it back in the 1st of October. It's done well. It's starting to bud out right there, all over the place really, and it has these beautiful bright pink flowers. So it's a really beautiful plant. It's called a Christmas cactus. Here is a succulent. It's from my Succulent Display video that I've already done, so look that up and you can see what kind of plants I have and what I had in that display. But this one I went ahead and kept alive all winter, and it's done good. In fact, I just cut it trying to propagate it, and there is a few starts in there, and it looks real good. They look healthy. I'm hoping they will take and keep this plant going through the winter, and I'll put it back out next summer. This one also is a succulent from that video, Succulent Display. And this is a spider plant that I got a start from with Garden Fever, another YouTuber. And it was only about that big to begin with. And so it has done okay. I was hoping it would be bigger by now, but it's still got lots of little starts in there. So it's hanging on, and it's starting to shoot out here lately. I've had some grow lights on them, all these plants here. And this plant, the cactus, the Christmas cactus, came from one of my videos called Christmas Plants, Care and Cuttings. And if you look back on that, you're going to find out that it's step by step how to take care of that and keep that plant alive and get new flowers for Christmas. Same with these. These are my poinsettias from last Christmas. They were beautiful colors. I think one's red, one's white, or one's pink and one's red. And I kept them alive all winter. I fertilized them. I cut the bracts off, kept them going all through winter, and there's certain steps you have to do. So look back on my video, Poinsettias and the Care. Please look back on that. And